I'm on a mission to secure 1 million in Forex funding. Starting with this 100k account, I've documented every trade, every win, every loss, and the breakthroughs, being as raw, honest, and transparent as possible. We've had ups, we've had downs, but as the title suggests, guys, I have something very exciting to share with you. So let's take you back to a couple of days ago, and let's see how this all unfolded. Okay, guys, pound JPY looking nice for a setup. Just got to wait for it to pull back. If I get an entry, I'll let you guys know.
I was looking at potential longs. I like the daily, higher high, looking for the higher low. I like the 1 hour and 4 hour time frames. Breakout, higher high, higher low. Rejecting our areas at the 0.382, 1 hour 50. So yeah, looking to enter this trade. We're moving, again, it's very early into the trade. So if this does go on to hit full TP, it will pass my account.
So I've increased the risk on this particular position to about 2.5 to 3%. So obviously it's more than normal, but it is a challenge, and I want to be going a bit more risky now because I've been trading this challenge for quite a while. I've got data on my strategy and obviously know that my accuracy this year has been good. So yeah, I've increased the risk. That's why if this trade hits TP, it should hit the 10%, which will be past phase one.
So we're currently running nicely, stops at break even. So we're going to manage this. We could pull back, but we've got to manage this accordingly to our plan. Risk free. Hopefully it just goes to target and that'll pass the account. Price is still moving nicely. We're obviously slowing down a little bit, hoping to push to full target. Running about 6.5k, so not too bad. Everything's looking okay. We have to be aware of a potential pullback because we've been going up for multiple hours. In that case, you just got to stay strong, keep your discipline, and manage according to your plan, not the balance.
Okay, so price has pulled back. Management plan, break back below the 1 hour 50, because if we break back below the 1 hour 50, it deems that the overall trend has failed. And that means that we want to be getting out. So we should be able to bank at least 3,000. Keep you guys updated on the position.
Sold off. It is just a pullback. What I'm hoping to see and what I'm wanting to see. If we come back to the 1 hour 50, get some rejections and get some bullish momentum to make another higher high, that would be nice. If we break back below, then I'll look to exit the position. It's going to be interesting the next few hours. Are we going to reject the 1 hour 50 and continue up, or are we just going to sell off?
This is where it's so important to keep your mind in check, because obviously I was running around 7%, 7k. The account was like 3k away from hitting passing. But now it's pulled back. It's how you deal with this emotionally, because I'm seeing, yeah, I'm running like 3 or 4k, but you're now far away from the 10%. But that's where you shouldn't be trading the balance. You should be trading your plan. I'm allowing the pullback to allow then the continuation, the new higher low to be made. And I have my management plan in place to break back below the 1 hour 50, below that previous structure, then I'm out. If it continues, then my management plan's good. I'm expecting it to continue, to hold at that level and continue based on the bullish trend. But that's where people can get trading so difficult. It's so emotional because you're 1 minute seeing yourself so close, relatively close. We just need a little push further and we're past phase one. But then it pulls back. So it's having logical rules that allow you to not make emotional mistakes.
We've come back to this key level. We've now started to get the bullish momentum coming, which is nice. Again, doesn't mean it's going to continue, but it's all looking the best possible scenario. What we want to see now, what I'd love to see is now a break of this high, making a new higher high, and then we can start managing it aggressively and seeing if we can hit this profit target. But it's nice to see the break, you know, back above, bullish momentum coming in. So hopefully we can get this continuation and we can hit the target and we would pass the account.
Guys, we are so close to hitting TP. We're a couple of pips away. We're so close to pass phase one. This could be incredible. If we pass, oh my God, it'd be amazing. So we're close. If we hit it, I'll let you guys know. Guys, we did it. It's hit TP. Crazy. I've been documenting this journey for the last however many months. This account started in October and we've hit it. I said I'll document everything on this channel, the wins, the losses throughout drawdown, and it's nice to make a video where it's positive. We've passed phase one. We have passed phase one. Incredible.
This was an absolute textbook setup from the entry, 0.382, 1 hour 50, the continuation of the higher highs, higher lows, our management plan, moving our stop below this level. You know, we never broke back down below the low or the 1 hour 50, so we managed it effectively. But yeah, that's it. That's 10% hit. I'll show you the dashboard with past phase one, which has been a long time coming. But yeah, fantastic position.
So you can see the account, here we go, passed, ended 29th of May. Let's go to the metrics. So this was obviously the account I've been documenting on this channel, that beautiful trade. So yeah, this is it, like, we've passed. I can't believe it, it's crazy from the start. Everything, 10%, everything's passed. It's incredible. I want to say firstly as well, thanks to everyone that supported this channel, this series. You know, if you're getting value, make sure you like, comment, subscribing. Like, I've been real from the start. We started off, look, do you remember this? If some of you guys would, in October with 4 losses in a row. I've actually got the video on my channel. You can go back and watch it. But the 4 losses, and I said in 2025 I'm going to turn it around, and we have. The 2025 has been an incredible start. You know, February, we've had just consistent growth. Then we had a couple of losses, and then obviously I decided to increase the risk based on my strike rate this year, and it played out. I mean, 10%. So yeah, we've hit it. It's incredible. If we go to the accounts, we're on the verification now. Haven't took any trades, but you can see here, start verification, and we're going to be looking and documenting, trying to pass this, and then we'll be funded. Incredible. So for May, guys, the only losses that I took, which I'll show you, was Euro AUD 1% and Australian dollar New Zealand dollar 1%. There were good trades, beautiful trades, just didn't manage to play out. But then that's the thing, this is where strike rate doesn't always matter, because it's about your risk reward. And with this position, this is what passed the funded account, phase 1, beautiful risk reward. So yeah, overall for May, 8.3%. So this year so far, I know a lot of people have been saying about the little trades that I've took, and yeah, there has been a lot of trades that, well, there hasn't been many trades that I've took compared to other years. But in terms of my results, I mean, they're looking good. 8.3% for May, which obviously helped pass that funded account. Slight negative, pretty much break even in April. Q1 was 6.7, and then just slow consistency. So hopefully we can continue on. We're coming up to halfway the year. Hopefully we can get past the verification and get a payout by the end of the year. That would be fantastic. And I'll be showing it all on this channel. So make sure you're here, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll be showing, if I blow the verification, I'll be showing it. I'll be showing everything. So yeah, not been a bad year so far. Been slow. But again, it shows that patience does pay sometimes, rather than taking unnecessary losses. So yeah, guys, very happy to be making this video. I mean, I appreciate all the support that you guys have shown me over the last how many months of me documenting it. It's been a long time coming, and nice to show a video of me actually progressing. The whole point of this channel was to be honest, document everything live in front of you guys. And to pass phase 1, still a long way to go. You can't get ahead of yourself. It's only phase 1. Still got the verification, still got to remain consistent and disciplined. And there's a long way to go. I mean, but it's exciting. This is why I wanted to set up this channel, because we've got so many things we can show, you know, when I pass the verification, when I get a payout, even if we go backwards and lose an account, I can show it all. But yeah, it's a good feeling to be in this position now that, you know, all the hard work slowly pays off. And yeah, I've been doing it from the start. I've shown every position, every trade, even throughout the losing periods. So yeah, I want to thank you guys. I appreciate the support. I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, I appreciate all the support you guys have given me over the time. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.